Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we continue our journey of learning Fusion. First of all, we're in our design tab and none of the others, and we're clicking on this create a sketch button. It's very important in this program as well as in all the others to select the plane in which we will be drawing. I like to select the general XY plane. As you can see, we already automatically change the view, but we can edit it here if we want to. Now, to make a hex nut, I will expand this view to look for something that resembles it. And here we go, I found the polygon. You can pick either type, but I want to go with circumscribed polygon. I can go ahead and snap the center point of this polygon in place, but it's not always possible or useful. And I also want to show you one other useful feature, so I will go and do it to the side. Now, to put it in the center, I will use this constraint button. And I will select the point at the origin and the point at the polygon origin. And here is another useful tool, horizontal vertical, where I will select the side and I'll automatically adjust it to the closest position, so either vertical or horizontal. Now I will set the size of it by clicking on the side and writing 55 millimeters. That looks good. Now, since it's a hex nut, I need to have a hole in the middle, so I will use the circular tool. And here, instead of doing all of the steps manually, I will just click at the center and drag it out. Now I will set its dimension to 50 millimeters. That looks good. So let's click here on finish sketch. And the next step that I need to do is to extrude it. So I will click on extrude and I will select this face to extrude by 50 millimeters. As you can see, it's extruded, but appearance is weird, and it's because I played around with it. To fix it, we'll go to the body, appearance, click on this plus button, and select our appearance. Just drag it over. Here we go. By the way, here we can play with many other appearances as you like, but we need to download them. And it will change the color. I will use the standard one. Here we go. So click close. The next step that I need to do is to add the chamfer. So when we get to the part where we need to make this threaded like insert, it will allow it to be manufactured, because right now in the real world we cannot just start from nothing. It will damage the tool, etc. So it's purely manufacturing side of things. So click on the chamfer, select the side, change the view, select the bottom side. Now as you can see, here's two faces, and we will change its dimension to 1. Here we go. Now we can continue and do the threaded insert. Here I'm searching for the threads and I found them here. So click on the thread. Now select the surface that you want to have your thread in or on. It will automatically adjust the size of our hole, and we even can do it here. As you can see, I can change it to the dimension I want. In my case, I just want the general M50. Here it just draws how it would look like. It's just a picture, but if we want to put it like into our solid body, like actual physically, if we want to, for example, 3D print it, we just click here on model and click OK. It's also useful to use only the picture because it saves the computational time and your computer probably will less overheat. Here we go. We had made our hex nut. Thank you and have a great day.